Teachers often raise a question and pick the first hand that goes up. Likely, that's a good and motivated student sitting in the first row already knowing the answer. The student who is less eager and less likely to know the answer is dozing off in the back, and that's a problem. With cold call, the teacher randomly names a student to give the answer. Jay, name some ideal conditions for growing rice. The benefit for the students is that everybody gets a shot, and since no student would know who is next, they all have to pay attention. This gives shy students more voice, increases the energy level, and creates a feeling of fellowship as all students are equally treated. The teachers also benefit. First, it's more fun because everybody feels more engaged. Second, it's fast as he or she doesn't need to wait for hands to go up. Third, the teacher gets a better understanding of who already mastered a concept or who needs more help. When you introduce cold call, we recommend using simple questions to get students on board. Once they are prepared, the level can raise. In a more advanced form, teachers can use cold call to moderate a discussion. If Jay got the answer only half right, the teacher could go on and say, "Sonia, give Jay a hint about the weather rice seeds seem to like." Then the teacher turns back to Jay to give him another shot to get it completely right.